Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as the title suggests, this video is going to be about the 6 amazing beauty hacks I have for you guys. All of these hacks are so life changing, and from the time I've been adopting these hacks into my makeup routine, it has completely changed my makeup game. So if you want to know them, please keep on watching. Also guys, I've been really active on Instagram, so if you'd like to see some new content, definitely make sure and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video. And yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so the first hack I have for you guys is what I call 3 ways to glossy lips. Haven't we all admired actresses and TV stars rocking those glossy lips, but we just can't seem to achieve those full glossy lips? I have a way for you, and this is how I do it. So I start off with already scrubbed lips, on top of which I go with a layer of any normal lip balm. Then I take any colored lip balm and apply it as my second layer. And lastly, to finish it all up, I use a layer of colored lip gloss to achieve those full glossy and amazing lips that we see on all TV and movie stars. So yeah, that is how I got it. So if you all want amazing glowy and rosy cheeks, I have an amazing hack for that as well, and this is how I do it. So to achieve those glowy and rosy cheeks, I start off with strobe cream and then mix a lipstick that I'm going to be wearing that particular day. I mix them and apply them on my cheeks using a beauty sponge. Now this gives such an amazing, glowy, dewy and such an unnatural finish. It's almost like you've been drinking lots and lots of water. Now this looks particularly amazing if you're wearing a no makeup look, so definitely consider it. So the next hack I have for you guys is to avoid smile lines. Now for people like me who love to express a lot, definitely tend to get smile lines after they apply their base makeup, but that process can be delayed for a bit, and this is how I do it. I take some loose powder on my sponge and round up my face like that and apply powders on areas where I tend to get smile lines. Now what this does, it prevents smile lines by filling those areas. So my fourth hack is about achieving those really natural and ombre looking eyebrows, for which I start off with the Swiss Beauty's eyebrow palette and take the really light brown shade on a brush and apply it to the front and middle portion of my eyebrows, as naturally our brows are lighter in the front part. Then I mix up the black and brown shade to create a dark brown shade and apply it onto the tails of my eyebrows. Now that gives a really nice ombre effect. Also guys, don't forget to brush it with a spoolie. So for the next hack, we've all been there in a place where the glitter just doesn't want to stick to our eyelids and gets everywhere possible. An amazing fix to that problem, and this is how I do it. So for the glitter to stick properly onto my eyelids, I start off with a lip balm and apply it lightly over the place of the eyelid where I want to place my glitter. Then I pick up my glitter on my fingers and gently tap it and apply it onto my eyelid. Now this is such an amazing hack which I've recently discovered and works wonders. I've gone out wearing this glitter eye makeup for hours and it doesn't fall down and doesn't give any fallout. So trust me guys, this is an amazing hack. Definitely try it out. My next hack is for all those lovely ladies who love to wear glasses on top of their makeup and don't want their makeup to ruin from places like nose and places we actually wear glasses. I have an amazing hack to fix that problem, and that is how I do it. Now I personally feel this is such a genius hack to prevent your foundation from wearing off from the places where you actually wear glasses. Now all you have to do for this hack is take some loose powder onto the sponge and apply it in an excessive amount onto your nose. Then take some powder and apply it onto your glasses as well. Now all you have to do is wear your glasses, and after this hack, even at the end of the day, you won't have those weird marks laying around your nose. Hope this helps. So guys, with that it's a wrap. I really hope you liked the video and found it helpful. And if you did, make sure to like, share and also subscribe. Also guys, don't forget to mention in my comment section what you'd like to see in my upcoming videos. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.